All right. I missed the window to plant my garlic. Is there a way to plant it in the spring, or should I resign myself to skipping it this year? I'm in zone 4.
So
yes and no.
Yes and no.
We have
done spring garlic.
We have done spring garlic. We will start our garlic, plant our garlic in zone 6 in October, and then harvest it in late June, early July. We have also attempted and planted garlic in the spring as soon as we could chisel it in the ground, and then we harvested it later on in the summer. From our experiment and our experience, the spring garlic was half the size of the fall garlic that we planted and was in the ground from October to June. These are heirloom varieties. These are hardneck varieties. These are not just generic off-brand, no-taste cloves from the grocery store. So, yeah, go ahead and put it in the ground. You're going to get something. It may not be to the pleasingness that you would hope it had been if you had planted it in the fall, which you plant it in the fall, you harvest it in the spring. That winter, it gives it the cold hours it needs in order to grow correctly.